Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia Z3 Compact, and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list. Let me find it. And then find the contact you'd like to edit and tap. Now let's tap on Edit Contact in the right upper corner and tap on this camera icon. And right now you can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app, or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. Let's find the photo we'd like to use and tap on it, of course. And here we have to decide where we want to complete the section, so let me pick regular gallery. Alright, and here from this step we can change the position and the size of this highlighted square, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this area is responsible for it. After applying it just like you want to, just tap on crop in the right upper corner and the photo will be applied. If you're happy with your choice, tap on save. And this is how our contact will look like. You will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.